Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to open on-screen keyboard on your laptop or desktop. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to go on your search bar. Here you can see, just go here and type search bar on SCREEN. Just type on screen and then you can see on the top option on screen keyboard. Just open it. That's it. There you can see your on screen keyboard is open. Now you can move anywhere. Now you can type. You can resize it like that, like that. You can move anywhere. So guys, in this way you can open on-screen keyboard on your laptop or desktop very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.